Davar Chavanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 Co-powered by अमल में देवी सज्जन वक्त है मैन 65 यानी 65 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले का दिल्ली सुल्तान की ओर से आ रहे हैं यूक्रेन मूल के आंद्रे कवियातोव्स्की। पुरुषों के 65 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के रजनीश।
There we see prayers being offered. A big day today. The stage is high, the stakes are high. It's the big semi-final. And we see Andrei Kwiatkowski from the Delhi Sultans coming in from Ukraine, the 5th position in the World Championship in 2018. Well, he is going to take on Rajneesh from the Haryana Hammers at the age of 30. A bronze medalist in the military championship in 2016.
Well, Rajneesh comes in with lots of experience. He's been practicing in Chhatrasal Stadium in Delhi for past 13 years, and he knows a trick or two how to hold Andrei Kwiatkowski. Incidentally, he leads by one bout in the previous season where he defeated Andrei by a margin of 3 points.
The crowd cheering on. Delhi Sultans trailing 2-4. Again, this is a do or die for the Delhi team. Playing under high pressure on the big stage. There you see Rajneesh not intimidated by the Ukrainian. Going for it.
Well,
they need him to rise.
Andrei has to take this game. In fact, in the past 5 matches, he's just managed to win just one bout. And that was against Harful with a margin of 2. Again, it's getting rough. In the previous bout against Harful, he had a cut on his head, on the left side of the head, and it was bleeding.
Sadly, Rajneesh hasn't won a single bout in this league. On the other hand, we have seen Andrei winning in style, and they want him to win today. Andrei needs to rise for the Delhi Sultans. There you see Andrei in style. Oh my God, that is some signature stuff here. Acrobatics. Absolutely sizzling stuff. Rajneesh showing us some serious agility.
Okay, look at Rajneesh. As I said, he's a 30-year-old military man, but he knows exactly how to come out of the pressure.
Absolutely.
And that's what he's done right now on your screen. Rajneesh sussing out Andrei Kwiatkowski. Andrei knows very well that he has to defend his turf and win this bout and bring something brilliant like he did towards Bharful. The crowd cheering blue. They want Delhi to win.
There you see Rajneesh from the Haryana Hammers giving a tough time to the Ukrainian from Delhi Sultans. They escape out. This is high intensity stuff here. They're not looking to hold back at all.
Well, these 2 minutes are a story of incomplete attacks. Both the wrestlers are trying to find difficult. They're wasting time, I guess. They're just waiting for it. Let's see how it happens.
There we have the referee asking them to start once again. As we close in on the final 45 seconds of round number 1, the crowd here is loud and electrifying. They are backing Both the teams in equal numbers.
Sarthak, look at it. Still no points on the board, and there's been so much of action. Let's see how it happens. Andre waiting on the left side of the screen in the blue singlet from Ukraine.
Delhi Sultans need to win this. It's a do or die. They cannot afford to go down. If they lose this, they are out. There we go. The Indo-Tibetan border force. We need a heroic performance from Andre if he wants Delhi Sultans to take a step forward in this league.
Rajneesh or Raju from Chhatrasal Stadium has really got his game right into this PWL. He scored 22 points till now and is real on the ball right. He's low on stamina, but what he does...
There you see a brilliant takedown by Rajneesh. Rajneesh is going all out right from the word go in this bout. And he is not intimidated by the Ukrainian.
Well,
Andre certainly seems to be feeling the pressure. The big day, the semi-final. There you see Rajneesh with a severe gut wrench, locking Andre out. Andre looks exhausted.
this bout, this attack will definitely make Sushil Kumar really proud of the way he's handled him. Look at him. The Chhatrasal Stadium would be watching it right now. The antics of Rajneesh right now. Rajneesh or Raju is doing really well.
Know this, okay? Attention.
As we close in on the final 2 minutes of this bout. Delhi Sultans need some signature moves from Andre. The crowd praying.
Tawai, action! Open finger!
The referee calling them for passivity. Too much time on passive moves. And there you see he calls it off. Cannot be too passive. We need a step up from Andre if he wants to stay alive for the Delhi Sultans.
Action below!
Grappling each other, collar ties, looking for a takedown. Andre going for it now. There you see Rajneesh going for the gut wrench. And Andre looking for the gator roll. And in no time, Rajneesh has countered it and is dominating in style. Rajneesh on fire. Complete fire.
This 1 minute, unless Andre does something spectacular, Haryana is in the finals.
This probably is going to seal it for the Haryana Hammers. They're up 9-0. You can see the disappointment on Andre's face. Slowly but surely, Haryana Hammers are going to make a place in the final. As we close in, Andre looking helpless. Rajneesh has played with the psychology of Andre. He's affected him in the head. He's hit it hard into his head. The mind is where the game is won or lost.
Yes, certainly, you said it well. Andre didn't look like the winner today when he stepped onto the mat, and he's not going to be the winner when he will step out of the mat. Delhi, I'm afraid, will go back.
Just a few seconds, we're going to see the new entrants into the finals. And the team that has made the finals in every season, Haryana Hammers, will be making the finals once again.
Below, attention. Okay. Blue zone!
3 seconds to go, and that's victory. Rajneesh is happy that he's got victory for his Haryana Hammers, and the Haryana Hammers dugout erupts in joy. pride and perseverance. That's what you see.
Brilliant display of wrestling proficiency by the national champion gold medalist Rajneesh. Coach Kuldeep Malik will be extremely proud of him. He cruised through that bout. Look at the smile on his face. Gave no chance for Andre as the Haryana Hammers.
मत ले पंगा।